Welcome to our comparison video, where we take a closer look at two popular countertop ice makers, the SMU and Sweetcrispy models. Both of these machines promise quick ice production and convenient features. But which one truly stands out? In this video, we will explore their specifications, design differences, and overall user experience to help you make an informed decision. When it comes to design, the SMUG ice maker features a vibrant green color that adds a cheerful touch to any kitchen. In contrast, the Sweetcrispy model sports a sleek, coal black finish, giving it a modern and sophisticated look. Both machines are compact and portable, making them ideal for home use or outdoor gatherings. Price is another crucial factor to consider. The SMUG countertop ice maker is priced at $69, while the Sweetcrispy model is slightly more affordable at $59. This price difference may influence your decision, especially if you're looking for a budget-friendly option. Both ice makers offer user-friendly features, including the ability to produce 9 ice cubes in just 6 minutes, and a self-cleaning function. However, the SMUG model includes an auto-cleaning feature, while the Sweetcrispy model is designed to be equally easy to use with its intuitive control panel. Both machines come with an ice scoop and basket, enhancing their convenience for everyday use. In conclusion, both the SMUG and Sweetcrispy countertop ice makers offer excellent features for quick ice production and convenience. While the SMUG model stands out with its vibrant color, the Sweetcrispy model offers a more budget-friendly option. We hope this comparison helps you choose the best ice maker for your needs. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more product comparisons.